Are your eyelashes and eyebrows looking thin, short, or uneven? Stop wasting money on extensions and overpriced serums. Today, you will discover a simple natural secret that can help lashes and brows look fuller, darker, and healthier. This method is so simple and affordable that you will wonder why you didn't know about it sooner. Today, I'm sharing this powerful, homemade, all-natural remedy inspired by ancient beauty traditions that can help lashes and brows appear fuller and healthier, so you can forget about fake lashes forever. So what do we need? We are going to need a spice called cloves. Have you ever wondered why Indian women often have thick, dark lashes? The secret lies in centuries-old traditions. In India, cloves are more than a spice. They have long been valued in Ayurvedic beauty practices. Roasted cloves were traditionally used to create natural kohl. It was believed that their warmth stimulated the roots and protected hair from brittleness and sun damage. Today, modern research supports the benefits of the natural compounds found in cloves. Yes, you will need about 1 tablespoon, roughly 25 pieces. Place the cloves in a pan. Put the pan on the stove and roast the cloves until they turn completely black. And while the cloves are roasting, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I would love to know that. Now, why cloves work? Most people see cloves as just a kitchen spice, but their biological makeup is a true beauty powerhouse. Each tiny bud contains eugenol, a unique essential oil that helps dilate microvessels. When applied along the lash line, it may improve circulation to the roots, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients. Cloves also contain natural pigments that can make hair appear darker and richer from root to tip, creating a mascara-like effect without makeup. If your lashes have become brittle after extensions or your brows stopped growing due to years of over-plucking, cloves may help support healthier-looking hair. They are rich in beta-carotene, which supports hair structure, helping it appear more elastic and shiny. Over time, you may notice less breakage and a fuller feel. This recipe works like a smart serum. It doesn't just enhance what you already have, it helps support the appearance of new, healthier growth. As a result, you can achieve fuller brows and lush lashes. Now, preparing the clove powder. Our cloves have turned charcoal black. This is exactly what we are looking for. Remove the pan from the heat. Don't wait too long for them to cool completely. As soon as they are safe to touch, let's begin grinding. Transfer the cloves to a mortar. Notice how brittle they have become after roasting. Grind them thoroughly until they turn into a very fine black powder. It is important that the powder is super smooth without any large, rough pieces. This ensures the serum applies easily to lashes and brows. Now, natural versus store-bought serums. Have you ever read the ingredients on store-bought lash serums? Some contain hormone-like ingredients that may cause dependency. When you stop using them, results may fade. Our traditional recipe works differently. We aren't forcing results, we are nourishing the roots. This is pure natural care. Your lashes can grow stronger because they become healthier and more nourished. And before we continue, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy simple and honest recipes. Now, what makes roasted cloves special? Take a look at this charcoal black powder. Its secret lies in what happens during roasting. Roasting activates natural resins and tannins. This powder helps cleanse buildup that may prevent healthy lash growth. Plus, this black pigment is completely natural. Unlike chemical dyes, it doesn't damage the hair structure. Instead, it helps seal the cuticle, making lashes appear thicker and longer, almost like a salon lash lift. But few things to remember before using. Always perform a patch test to check for sensitivity. Now, here's the first serum, growth activator. What ingredients do you need? 1 teaspoon of olive oil, about 10 drops of vitamin E, and a pinch of clove powder. Mix thoroughly. If it feels too thick, add a little more olive oil. How to use it? Use a clean cotton swab. Apply to clean lashes and brows every night before bed. Here's a tip. Apply from mid-length to tips. Avoid getting too close to the eyes. Leave overnight and wash your face as usual in the morning. Use daily and watch your look transform. Here's the second nourishing serum. What ingredients do we need? Sweet almond oil, castor oil, and some clove powder. Almond oil is rich in vitamin E and magnesium. It hydrates hair and improves elasticity, helping prevent breakage. Castor oil is known for conditioning and supporting the appearance of thicker growth. Combined with clove powder, this blend deeply conditions and nourishes. Now, how to use it? Apply 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Brush gently through brows against hair growth so oil reaches the skin. Apply lightly to lashes, staying a few millimeters away from the roots. After 30 minutes, blot excess to prevent morning puffiness. Now, how to store it? Store in a small glass jar with a tight lid. Keep it in a cool, dark place and use it within a month. I truly hope this recipe helps you achieve the lashes you have always dreamed of. Share your results in the comments. I read them all and love celebrating your success. I will see you soon in the next video.